It's no shade to those people. Actually, it is shade. It's all shade because I'm about sick of that. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝐂𝐊. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their brand new 9x6 natural curl wig. I have done this curl before. I'm pretty sure it was around maybe Christmas time last year, but it was a hit. Y'all love that wig. I love that wig. It was a good wig. So imagine my surprise when they said they had this curl on a 9x6 drawstring wig with the natural edges and everything. Okay, we're gonna see how it looks on me. It looks a little peasy right now, but it's giving the same look as a 13x6. So, you know, it has the darts in the middle of the lace to give you a more conformed fit around your head. It has the comfort nape grip in the back as well as the drawstring so you can tighten this wig down. It has the C-shaped ear tabs around the ear. This cap construction is similar to another one that I've showed on my channel, and y'all know how I feel about that one, and we ain't gonna name it because, you know, this is about this one, but y'all know how I feel about that brand. I feel the same about this one. Okay, they like this. I rarely have had any complaints with WowAfrican when it comes to their wigs, their cap constructions, and their quality of hair. Let me not take too long for this one because I have a dental appointment in about an hour, so your girl gotta hurry. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate, and I'm gonna tint my lace. Summer is winding down, we jumping in the fall, and your girl's about to jump into these sweaters. I've been burning Kinky card up, child. It does have the removable Velcro combs on this wig. Y'all know I don't care for the side combs, so I'm going to go ahead and take those off, but I'm gonna leave my back comb in case I need it. With that drawstring though, I shouldn't. Let's see how this is fitting. This is fitting more Big Hit Associate, and this is on your one size cap. Y'all can see how it's sitting on my ear. You can see my cap in there. Oh, wait a minute. No. I forgot I didn't wash this. I'm using my hair perfume on here. That smell was kicking up right around my face. I do suggest you wash this wig. However, if you wash this wig, this curl will not be like this. The curl will not be like this. This is how the curl will look if you decide to wash this wig. It will loosen. I showed you guys this in the previous video with this texture. Some of y'all was telling me how the curl didn't last and it wasn't the same. And I wanted to say, I know, but I mentioned that it was a lot looser. I even typed it on the screen for y'all. It's no shade to those people. Actually, it is shade. It's all shade because I'm about sick of that. Watch the video. That's why I'm here. I'm here to tell you exactly what to expect for a wig. If you buy the wig based on my look, my styling, I can't help you. I don't just make them for fun, even though I'm laughing. I make them for y'all. Just a little PSA real quick. And another PSA, WowAfrican. Y'all know I'm a right side girl, so how dare you send me a left side part? Huh? The audacity. Now with this, it's further down in the front. I need more side coverage. I'm gonna just cock it to the side a little bit. I'm gonna blow dry these edges on high and hot. And I'm gonna brush through it real quick. I don't wanna melt my wig. I'm not gonna use my mousse because I don't want it to curl my edges back up. It has water in it. So I'm just gonna use my Eco Styler gel to lay these edges, holding it at the edge of the lace to bring some of that hair down before I brush that back. And I more than likely will spray this wig down just because I don't want it to move, but I needed to lay a certain way before I spray it down. Brush my edges back into that wig. Pin this hair back so it's not gonna be in the way. Hold it down. Brush some of the hairs back. You'll get those little peasies around the front, around the lace, and then you can just spray it down. I'm gonna use my drawstring. I'm gonna tighten it down in the back. I'm gonna take my Esha Melt spray and I'm gonna spray around the front here. Bring some of this down right here. All right, did they send me a band? Let me see. I don't think they did. They sent me some other goodies. Got a wig grip, wig cap. They got a tie down band. Oh, okay. So let me just use what I have. All right, let me go ahead and do my makeup real quick and then we'll come back, unwrap, and get out the door because, woo, I gotta peel it down. I don't want a white cast. Brush this out. I think using the gel and the spray definitely help not create a white cast. That melt though. All right, let's see what the hair is sitting like. This doesn't seem as thick as the other one just because of the cap construction, so make sure you are aware of that. But I'm gonna fluff mine up using my little mini curler here. Curl this around, hold it for a little bit and then let it go. See how I did that? Gave me a little wand curl. You don't gotta hold it for too long. And that kind of mimics the curl of this wig, or the wave, the natural wave of this wig. This is taking no time at all, so you can do it too. And this is also for like once you wash it, if you decide to blow dry it and add your own curls, this is how you do that. Just hold this back over here. I don't want to burn my ears off. Be careful. I'm gonna take my comb and I back comb this right here. Just kind of give a little bit more lift. Take my hairspray. Give me a little bit more lift right in here. Because this wig has some texture to it, you can do that. If this wig was silky, it would take a little bit more hairspray and teasing. When you tease in the hair, you can create tangles and excess shedding when you go to comb it out, so just be careful. I'm gonna add a little powder around the hairline. No contour because it's blending pretty nicely, but I just want to open that up a little bit without plucking it. So I added a part as well, and now I am done. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Came out pretty nice to me. WowAfrican could make the hairs in the front a little bit longer just to give you a little bit more coverage on your sides if you want to do like a little swoop action. And that will probably help if they don't change the cap size of this unit. You can have a little bit more hair to kind of work with around here to play with your hairline. But outside of that and the cap size, this wig is pretty much self-explanatory. No complaints whatsoever. The hair texture, the hair quality is nice. The wig pretty much is what it is. So if you saw the review for the 13x6 version and that was just a little bit too much hair for you or too much lace to work with, try the 9x6. And the price point is obviously cheaper than the 13x6 version because again, not as much lace, not as much hair. You see them going? Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm wearing all black today, you know, black and gold, black and gold, black and gold. Oh, that's black and yellow. I know some of y'all don't like these, but these are really comfortable. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit as well. But yeah, I got my sandals. My whole outfit will be linked down below, but I gotta get out of here. So shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.